VMG!
On this upwind leg, we were modulating between some modes. Low mode speed, VMG, high mode, high lane. Trying to be in sync as we intentionally go through these main mode changes together.
VMG! High!
Julie's being very deliberate with the rudder, and Eva is being very deliberate with the body weight, pulling on the wire as she can, keeping the balance of the boat to keep it fast.
Low! Slightly too easy there, Eva! Good! VMG!
Rounding here to a reach set. On the other reach job
Nice,
here,
good blinking of the kite, Eva, nice!
Blinking the spinnaker, getting as little curve as possible so we can keep it fully powered up. Nice body weight placement and balance in the boat here.
Pressure's filling, high pressure! Take a step back. We want to manage that load when the pressure comes. If we let the boat heel over, we're just going to lose our speed gain opportunity. Control that boat when the power comes.
Here we blow the kite halyard and we practice doing a 2-sail reach in the case of a really high reach mark or a big wind shift. Letting the kite flow, getting control back, resetting it, be able to round that mark to a downwind leg. Nice smooth transition here. Eva gets the pull back.
Good.
Quickly and smoothly. Kite looks like it's up and flowing with power here.